with that mindset of just how much there is to get done, it can feel like this, a massive kind of just weight of like, it all has to get done at the same time. And it's kind of, it's not like that. It's about organising things across that journey into 3 phases. So the best way I've thought about organising this is there's a catch-up. That's where, these are the mandatory needs of really the customer. They're expecting it from us. If we don't meet those needs, we don't really have permission to play. They'll find other places. They're the hygiene. They've just got to get done. You need to organise a team to get working on that. Then you've got the kind of, keep up. So the keep up piece is we've got to find ways of, on an ongoing basis, getting this type of work happening. Because you can have these massive crack teams, they come in, do tons of stuff, things change, they'll go away again. And then in 3 years' time, people are back, thinking, we've got to look at that customer experience thing because the tracking's going down, it's not working. The kind of, keep up is just the kind of staying on it. The last thing is the get ahead, and this is where it's about really, differentiating. It's the things that just really make the difference between that and the competition. And I think especially when you're thinking around training and education for HCPs, that's one of the major objectives, I think, of digital customer experience for most pharma organisations. What are you going to do? Think about, step into the shoes of an oncologist. Why would they use your brand information to, ultimately go and start getting their, CPD points? What have you built as a service that enables that?